Welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here from Emotionless Crypto Trading. Today we're gonna take care about Solana, which is ranked number 9 on CoinMarketCap based on the whole market cap of the space with a minus 24% for the past 7 days, folks. Take a look what's happening with Solana. We do enjoy this cryptocurrency. We also enjoy its volatility at the end of the day, but minus 24% compared to all the other. And we can see that rank number 2 on how deep it has went in the current retracement is Ethereum with minus 20. And then you've got Cardano. And I'm talking about amongst the top 10, right? So this is the limit with Dogecoin, which is still in the top 10, quite interesting. Usually in the bear market, all these meme coins used to drop a lot. However, Solana is still suffering, minus 24 for the past 7 days. Today it's 5.14. Ethereum is losing more on the day. At the end of the time, at the end of the day, it's important that we're going to get into the accumulation stage. We're going to rebuild the forces towards the bullish market. So there's nothing to be worried about at the moment. Let's go towards the charts, which is something that you definitely want to see. Handling on the 4-hour candlesticks as usually. I'd like to share with you the context before we talk about other things. And there is a ranging market here. It's quite interesting that Solana did behave differently than other cryptocurrencies, especially with this movement downwards here. This is an extended downtrending channel that continuously lost its lows multiple times in a row, which has not been justified by the overall market movement, which means that we have not seen the same patterns on Ethereum or BTC that is usually the direction of the path for all the other cryptocurrencies. Like usually, not always, but usually, like I'm saying to you. Now, since that we've been able to increase our prices, and if we take a look at the tops here, we have a 60 days movement of 82%. I mean, 60 days of price action on 82, 83, let's put it like that. 83% increase. That's almost double, folks. If you came into the business 60 days ago, which is 2 months, when Solana was priced at 26 bucks, you came in with $100,000, you could have exited the market with $180,000 just a couple of days ago in 2 months. That's huge, which is why I said about volatility of this cryptocurrencies where trading up to 5x leverage in derivatives is amazing. You make tons of money, just like I've been presenting in my videos with all these cryptos. So getting back to our specific technicals, well, you've got your major resistance top zone sitting right there, which has not been touched at all, and there is quite a lot to go till that. What's happening below? There is a major resistance median zone. This has been touched a couple of times. So in the current structure, we have a very, very direct and prompt reaction appearing on 19th of July 2022, another one on 30th of July, and then 12th, 13th, 14th we have a double top structure with an engulfing appearing on the third soldier. It's a clear sign of death. That's where we have been also reaching towards. This was a significant sell-off, folks. It was 28% in 6 days. On a 3x leverage, it's almost 100%. 100% on your margin is great in 6 days. Gotta be honest with you, there is a lot of the guys out there from the options stock market that are doing 12% in a year. So if you have a 100% in a week, you can't say anything wrong about it. Right, so it's clear with the major resistance median zone that we're gonna have a difficult time to fight with. 46 bucks up to $48 is a strong pressure. You need BTC going above 25 grand as well, and then you're gonna see Solana at the major resistance at the top zone, which is above $56 for sure. However, till we talk about such high numbers, let's talk about a current situation, which is one of a kind that lost the trending support line. More exactly, we've lost it yesterday on 19th of August. That's not good, that's not fun, and that is not representing a good sign. We did had this specific trending support line with multiple confirmations, and it was the one that's so-called sustainable because of its angle, because of its patterns that was able to establish during the whole progress. So what's happening right now is obviously a market that is highly dominated by the bears. Again, a channel that made us lose the trending support line. We're so close of breaking out of the median zone right there, but we have failed dramatically, and that's because BTC have failed around 25 grand. Unfortunately, Ethereum failed around $2,000. Those were pretty high marks. I mean, Ethereum came from $900 to $2,000. That's more than 100%, guys. So it's not that all these cryptocurrencies have not performed at all in the past weeks. They did perform. It's just a question of where did you guys got into the cryptos in order to talk about from a negative standpoint of lack of performance. I mean, you can buy the tops at $100,000 and say that the cryptos are not performing, whether they 6 months ago they were at $10,000. So you can basically do a mistake at any point when the markets give you the chance and call it out as a lack of sustainability. It's not like that. The reality and the truth, especially if you're into derivatives and trading on the futures with all the cryptos, just like we teach, we've got basically great solutions out there for the whole time on the day trading, swing trading, position trading, and scalpings. So that is all for the moment related on Solana. And then for those of you as per your request, we have our private one-to-one coaching directly with me. This is functioning since 2017. Scrembocoaching.com is my page describing how does it work. You can watch the video and sort of a way qualify for free conversation with me where I can explain you more about it. This is intensive, comprehensive, directly one-on-one with me live, where I'll take you by hand and teach you how to trade. As well, for those of you which are looking for joining my commission trading where we perform the trading for you, feel free to check out our page, scrembocoaching.com/today. This is going through API. There is no upfront fees, and you can join my movements. The trade that I do for myself will be able to be completed for you as well. On the left side of the page, we have the trading performance documented since 2017. And then on the right side of the page, we have basically the instructions in the way you can join. It's just commission out of pure profits. That's all. Beautiful, great. So subscribe, hit the like button, and I see you very, very soon.